Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find the factorial of a number using recursion. So let us start this with the program. Here in the first line, this defines a function named factorial that calculates the factorial of a given number n using recursion. Here in the next line, if n is equals to 0 or n is equals to 1, the factorial of 0 or 1 is always 1. This serves as the base case to stop the recursion. Without this, the function would continue calling itself indefinitely. Now, in the next line, in the else part, this calculates the factorial of n by multiplying n with the factorial of n minus 1. The recursion continues until it reaches the base case as n is equals to 0 or n is equals to 1. Now, in the next line, the program prompts the user to enter a number. The input is converted to an integer and stored in a variable num. So, in the next line, here, if number is less than 0, this will print factorial is not defined or negative number. As factorials are not defined for negative numbers, so the program will check and print this. And in the else part, if the input is non-negative, the program calls the factorial function and prints the result. Let's check this program. As I'm entering a number 6, hence the factorial of 6 is 720. So thanks for watching this video.